What's going on, guys? Danny here, Wi-Fi Astronaut, and today we're going to be talking about why most Amazon businesses fail. But before we get into that, I want to remind you guys that my Amazon cheat sheet with over 25 terms and definitions and examples are down below. Also, the free brand email template, which I use to email brands to get products, brand direct deals, is also down below as well. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. And just real quick, if you guys don't know who I am and this is the first video or one of the first videos you're seeing, my name is Daniel, or Wi-Fi Astronaut. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. I primarily sell wholesale products. I also do a little bit of online arbitrage, and a lot of my wholesale is from brand direct deals, and I'm also growing a grocery section of it right now, but primarily it's brand direct deals through electronics and commercial electronics. But let's get into why most Amazon businesses fail. So the first way is that they fail is they're staying complacent. So for example, let's say you found a few products, and then you're not sourcing more after that, right? You need to be constantly sourcing and constantly growing in your business, if you want to be successful in this. The next is you're not really familiar with the terms of service. So let's say, for example, drop shipping, right? You think that you're allowed to drop ship a product from Walmart to the customer in a Walmart branded box. Your account gets suspended, and then you're not able to sell on Amazon anymore. Like that example, you're obviously not allowed to do that. You can't drop ship. You can drop ship, but the box it arrives in has to be it's called like nondescript. Can't have any markings of any other brand on it. Can't be Walmart, Home Depot, does not matter. The only brand I guess it could be marked on it is Amazon, but you're not allowed to be drop shipping products where in the actual box either the logo from the store it came from or the receipt or the invoice, anything other than Amazon, not allowed to do it. Great quick way to get suspended. The next way Amazon businesses fail is just limited capital, right? So, not being able to get enough capital. However, if you do have limited capital and that's your only problem, your business might not fail, it just might grow slower. And once that proof of concept gets proven to you and maybe others, you could raise money. But usually with limited capital, is your business will just grow slower. As long as you continue sourcing and only buying the highest ROI items, then your business will grow as fast as it can through how good your sourcing is, pretty much. And the next way most Amazon businesses fail is they are not sourcing enough. You need to be constantly sourcing enough. So it's very easy to get a few really good products and just sit there and let the money come in, and you're not really doing anything. You're not sourcing because these few products are making you $10,000 a month or whatever. You need to be constantly sourcing because eventually those products won't be profitable anymore. Usually that's usually what happens. Products aren't going to be profitable forever, especially if it's a arbitrage item. So you need to constantly be sourcing so that you can be bringing in new inventory. The whole name of the game in wholesale is to be constantly bringing in new inventory. If you're not bringing in new inventory and new listings, your company is not growing. That is a common theme amongst all large wholesalers, is that they are constantly growing their catalog and they're constantly growing the amount of products they sell. That is the absolute key to Amazon. But hard emphasis on the not sourcing, because that is the number one way that these Amazon businesses fail. It's because you guys aren't sourcing enough. You need to be sourcing. That is the highest ROI activity you can do. You need to outsource it. You need to outsource the sourcing to VAs or American employees or whoever, but you need to be sourcing more. Without further ado, guys, links in the description below for the free brand email template and the Amazon cheat sheet. Make sure to go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back in the studio, back in Miami in a few days. So the next videos, the quality will be a lot better, be a lot higher. I'm going to bring on a new editor as well to improve the quality of the videos. But hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.